Good day, everyone. So it is a gloomy Sunday afternoon. Didn't know what to make for supper, so we decided to go with a buffalo chicken grilled cheese sandwich. It's gonna be creamy, it's gonna be cheesy, it's gonna be good. All right, so what we need is 2 breasts of chicken, cooked and chopped up. 1 cup of whipped Philadelphia cream cheese, 1/2 cup of Buffalo Frank's Red Hot. I said 1/2 cup, right? Yeah. And about 3/4 cup of any mixed cheese that you like. It's all good. If you just have mozzarella, you can just use mozzarella, but we like the mixed cheese. And of course, to taste, some green onions in there. And a mixture of salt and pepper. Make it easier. So let's put it all in here and mix it up. So here goes the cream cheese. All right. Cream cheese and the cheese. I'll mix that up first. Listen, I'm eyeing it. You guys can measure it. It's about 3/4 of a cup. But however little or a lot of cheese you like, put it in there. Now let's mix that up. You can use a hand blender if you'd like. I just don't want to dirty it when I can just do it with my hands. All right, and there you go. How easy that was. Frank's Red Hot, Buffalo. Mix that in. Oh yeah. All right. And once that's all mixed up as well, lumpy mess. We'll add the chicken. And again, mix it all in. I left the chicken in pretty big pieces just because this is our supper. We want it to feel hearty in the sandwich. You could have shredded it if you wanted. Okay. And then I love my green onions. I'm putting a whole bunch in there. You can put a little or a lot. And a little bit of salt and pepper. The cheese already has enough salt in there, but I like the pepper. And we mix that up again. Oh, okay. All right. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna build. It's that easy. But it's so good. So I am using a cheese bread. You can use toast. You can use any kind of bread. We're fond of the cheese bread because it's going to be extra cheesy, extra crispy. I'm going to build. On the inside, I'm adding an extra layer of cheese with provolone. But before that, no, I'll put provolone. Now, instead of using butter, basically, to butter the outsides, I am using a mayo mixture, and it's gonna make it extra creamy, extra crispy. You won't even know it's not butter, and you'll just basically put it on the outsides, but we'll do that. All right, let's get this open here. Of course, it's going to take forever, right? Oh. Oh, here it is. There we go. So we're going to build 2 sandwiches. pieces of provolone. And 2 pieces of provolone. There we go. Then we'll bring the mixture over and we'll try to carefully put this on here. I mean, you can eat this cold, really, but once it heats up, all the cheese from inside's gonna melt, and the provolone. Our kid's a weirdo and he doesn't like his cheese melted, so he'll be eating it cold. Kids are weird. And we'll be back when I start grilling it. All right, so my skillet is heating up. You want it nice and hot. And we're gonna cover the tops with mayo, garlic, and basically parsley concoction, just so that it can grill and toast it up golden. It's the top of it. Yes, there's a little lump on it, but that's okay. We'll squish it down. All right. Is that hot enough? We'll see. Yeah, a little hotter would be good. All right. All right, let's put these babies on. Turn it over. Roar. My skillet might not be big enough for these big boys. Hold on. Let's move it over. Just a little bit. Alright. And they're gonna grow. And I'm gonna squish them down with my hand. Alright. That's gonna grill. I'm gonna turn it over and grill the other side in like 2 minutes. Alright, so I flipped them over. Now because ours is cheese bread, the cheese is melting, so that's why you're seeing this. But as you can see, look, the provolone is melting. Everything inside is getting hot and melting. So we'll get back to you when we slice this open and show you the end result. Alright, so this baby is done. Let's lift them up. All of the melted cheese. Yum. Alright. Now it's not going to look the prettiest. Oh, it's going to spill. It's going to spill out, guys. Oh. Alright. Let's go and do it. And oh, there was no cheese pull that I wanted. Just on the ends. Anyway, try it. It's delicious. It's amazing. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Ah.